It's been a long time since we've done an unboxing. So here it's a package I received from Ocooch Hardwoods, and not sponsored. I have no affiliation with them or anything like that. I just like to purchase lumber from them. And every time I purchase lumber from them, I do order their exotic offcuts because it's been amazing in the past. And they have a limit of only one per order. So every time I order, I get the exotic offcuts. Now, before I open this and I show you what's inside, I just want to tell you what I ordered. When I did place this order, I ordered some of these blanks so I can make boxes. This is aromatic cedar. I think I ordered 10 or 12, I'm not sure. And then, of course, I added the exotic offcuts. The exotic offcut is about $35, I believe. And I did open one of these for you guys in the past, and it was great, but the reason why I want to do this is last order I placed, I did not film it, of course, and it was some amazing stuff in it. I got 3 pieces of rosewood in it. So I have these 2, and then there was another one that I made a box, the one that I did in the video, like the axe paste. That was from the exotic offcut. So you can see really good sizes. There was 3 rosewood pieces in it, and then also some other pieces. Now, I don't know what we get in here, so let's open it to see what we get. But that's what I ordered, the aromatic cedar and then the exotic offcuts package. All right, so the box of exotic woods, it's $35. And the half-inch thick aromatic cedar, it's 6 by 24, and that one is $8.40 per piece. So let's see. When I placed the order with Ocooch, I did specifically ask them if they can please send me the aromatic cedar that is more, doesn't have so much contrast and not so many nuts, because I'll be using a lot of it for engraving. So they usually listen when you put there in the comments, and they send you what you want. So let's see what we got. So far it's looking really nice. So this one has some nuts in it and some sapwood. So I have 10 pieces of this. Really, really nice. Some of them are more clear than others, but you know, typically the aromatic cedar will have nuts in it and all that. This one is perfect. Look how beautiful that is for engraving. So clear. I don't know if you can see in camera. Really, really nice. And it looks like quite a lot of them are like that. So they do read the comments, and they do try to give you what you need. So anyway, those are the aromatic cedars. I'm going to put those aside because I'm sure you didn't click on this video to see the aromatic cedar. I think you would like what's in here. So a really nice plank of canary wood. Canary wood is one of my favorite woods to use. It's beautiful. Let me give you some dimensions. So this one, it looks straight, looks like a ½ inch thickness. It's 17 inches long by 8, a little bit over 8 inches wide. So beautiful, beautiful canary wood from the offcuts box. There's another canary wood, and this one does have a void in there, a hole, but definitely could be used. This one looks like 3/8 maybe. Beautiful colors. Very usable piece. So I could make the box out of half wood, the ½ inch, and then make the lid out of this one and the bottom. Then we get, this look like some sort of cedar or something. I'm not sure what it is. It feels very light. I've got this wood from them before. I should look to see what it is because I can never tell what it is. And this one is 24 inches long, 4 inches wide. This is what it looks like. I hope you can see. I cannot see what you see on the screen because the screen is pointing the other way. Then we get some wenge. This look like 1/8 inch, which will be perfect for inlays and splines. Another thing of wenge, 1/8 inch. I'm glad I included this 1/8 inch wenge because I hate resawing wenge. It seems like it's splintery and it's not the nicest to work with, but it looks really good on inlays. Then we have paduk. There's a piece of paduk. It looks like 24 inches long as well. Then we have some purple heart, really purple. Looks like maybe 1/4 inch. So this one's the length 18 inches by 6 inches. There are 2 of them. So 2 purple hearts, about the same size. No cracks in it, no knots. Looks really nice. There's another 2 more purple hearts, kind of the same thing. Same size. And then we got 1 piece of rosewood and it is cracked. Bummer. Now this is the rosewood that I had 3 pieces on the last order. I was very excited. I love working with rosewood. But now we get 1 piece. Still very, very good. I think these woods, $35, well worth it. I will use them, and yeah, beautiful, beautiful selection. The canary wood, it's amazing. I mean, especially this 1 piece. So, so nice. I love canary wood. So this is what I got. I hope this was helpful to you and you learned something new. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Skylar Ewing, and I'll see you in my next video.